Natural home remedies for sagging breast for women. Perfectly shaped breasts when begin to sag can impact your appearance and self-confidence. Though it is said that this physical process would usually set in during your 40s, certain lifestyle factors can lead to breast sagging at a younger age too. Losing and gaining weight rapidly, lifestyle factors and even the way you sit or sleep can contribute to losing breast firmness. Many women neglect this change, and a few who opt for surgery have to be careful about its side effects. Natural home remedies are obviously the safest to try. In this video, we are going to tell you a few home remedies that would help in maintaining the firmness of your breasts. Before knowing about these remedies, please subscribe to Green Info by clicking the red color button and press the bell icon to get all our videos by notifications. 1. Mixture of cucumber and egg yolk. This is an effective remedy for lifting your breasts. This should be used as a mask, prepared from cucumber and egg yolk. As cucumber has natural skin toning properties and egg yolk has high levels of protein and vitamins, this is a great combination to treat sagging breasts. You may use this mask once a week to firm and strengthen the breast tissues. How to use. Blend 1 small cucumber and mix 1 egg yolk and a teaspoon of butter or cream to get a paste. Apply it onto your breasts in upward direction and leave it on for about 30 minutes. Wash it off thoroughly with cold water. 2. Egg white. Egg white is also a great technique to lift sagging breasts due to its astringent and skin-nourishing properties. The hydrolipids present in egg white helps lift loose skin around your breasts. How to use. Beat 1 egg white and get a foamy texture. Apply it onto your breasts in an upward direction and leave it for 30 minutes. Use cucumber juice or onion juice to remove the paste and then thoroughly wash it with cold water. 3. Mixture of egg white, honey and yogurt. Another way to firm your breasts is applying this egg white, honey and yogurt mixture regularly. How to use. Prepare a breast mask by mixing 1 egg white with 1 tablespoon each of plain yogurt and honey. Apply it onto your breasts in an upward direction and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water. 4. Fenugreek. According to Ayurveda, fenugreek is a great remedy that helps in firming sagging breasts. As it is enriched with vitamins and antioxidants, it combats free radical damage and helps in tightening and smoothening skin around the breasts. How to use. Take 1/4 cup of fenugreek powder, mix it with water and form a thick paste. Massage this paste onto your breasts and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse it off with warm water. You may follow this remedy once or twice a week. 5. Fenugreek, yogurt and egg white. As this combination is great to firm breast skin, using this mask once a week gives effective results. How to use. Take half a cup of yogurt, 10 drops each of fenugreek oil and vitamin E oil and 1 egg white. Blend the ingredients and prepare a smooth paste. Apply the paste onto your breasts with gentle hands and let it sit for about 30 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water. 6. Olive oil. Olive oil is enriched with antioxidants and fatty acids and helps in fighting against free radicals. Massaging your breasts with olive oil prevents breast sagging. This also helps in improving skin tone and texture around the breast area. How to use. Take a few drops of olive oil and rub them together to generate heat. With gentle hands, apply this oil on your breasts in an upward motion. Massage for at least 15 minutes. This will stimulate blood flow and help in repairing damaged cells. This remedy can be used at least 4 to 5 times in a week. Almond, argan, avocado or jojoba oil can also be used to massage your breasts. 7. Ice massage. Massaging your breast with ice is an effective way to regain firmness. This is because cold temperature causes tissues to contract, thus, making the breasts firmer. How to use. Take 2 ice cubes and massage them in circular motions around each of your breasts. Do this just for a minute and use a soft towel to dry the breasts. Stay in a reclining position for at least 30 minutes. This technique can be done at regular intervals throughout the day. We hope this remedies may helpful to you. If you know any other remedies for sagging breasts, please comment below. Hit like and share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.